The days of private blog network spam are officially over, so how can you still run a business using your existing skills? Over the past 6 months, countless 6- and 7-figure SEO site business owners have seen their livelihood shattered by Google's algorithm updates. These updates have hit hard, with people losing their 6- and 7-figure SEO site businesses. If you felt this impact, you're not alone. Today, we're looking into what you can do instead of relying on SEO to build a new, resilient business. Today, let's do a quick post-mortem of what happened and then cover how to build a new business based on your acquired skills and maybe some new ones as well. So the biggest update was the March 2024 core update. In early March 2024, Google began rolling out a major core update. This update, which took over a month to complete, was designed to refine Google's ability to identify helpful content. It aimed to weed out low quality and unoriginal content from search results. By the time this update wrapped up in mid-April, an estimated, or so claimed, 45% reduction in such content had been achieved. For many SEO site owners, this meant seeing their meticulously optimized content drop in rankings overnight, leading to significant traffic and revenue losses. So simultaneously, Google launched the March 2024 spam update, targeting malicious practices like expired domain abuse, scaled content abuse, and site reputation abuse. This update ran through mid-March, aggressively cleaning up spammy, low-quality content. Sites that had relied on these tactics for quick wins found themselves severely penalized, going to near zero traffic almost overnight. And basically, people lost their 6- and 7-figure companies that were building a bunch of these sites and creating backlink pyramids and all that kind of stuff. So in September 2023, there was the helpful content update, which is old news. August 2023 core update, which is old news. November 2023 review update. So we're not going to cover all of them. This is not what the video is about. In summary, we're left with 2 effective SEO niches that haven't been completely destroyed. 1, e-commerce to some extent, and 2, local. Now let's focus on what you can do with your hard-earned skills and maybe some new ones. There are 2 ways forward, essentially, that are beginner-friendly and relatively quick to start up. So you build an SEO agency focused on the types of SEO that still work, namely the ones that I just mentioned, or you can learn PPC and offer Google Ads to clients, which is basically, it means you're going to kind of work for Google in a way, indirectly, by offering their paid service to clients. Kind of awkward, but it works, and it's very effective, and you can have a huge amount of retainers with clients if you do that. Both require you to switch to a service business, so no longer affiliate marketing, no longer links to stuff you're promoting and then making a buck off of that. Now you have to offer a service. That's the best business model for most people coming out of the whole affiliate marketing space. So yes, you can outsource delivery. In case you're wondering, you don't have to run massive delivery teams. This is not 2004 anymore. So what I'm sharing with you is based on currently working with $70,000 to $80,000 per month SEO experts who have switched to this agency model and are making 70 to 80K per month. The reason I made this video is also because those guys, basically you, I assume, watching this video, are doing extremely well with these agencies. They're absolutely crushing it. Apparently, having a bunch of SEO sites with passive income gets you a bunch of skills so you can use that to build an agency. Apparently, it's a highly transferable skill. Basically, we leverage our skills on Upwork.com and Fiverr.com to get the best clients possible. Not the cheap price complainers, but the people who are willing to pay $2,500 to $5,000 a month for a service with long retention cycles. So you're going to keep them for a very long time. And you might say Upwork and Fiverr, isn't that just cheap freelancers? Yes, there are a bunch of those. But that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about getting the best possible clients on those platforms. So stack a few of these retainers that I've talked about, and you've got yourself an agency to replace the SEO site business. Plus, this is a lot more white hat than the old business, with all the affiliate stuff. So there's less to worry about. It won't likely disappear anytime soon. So overall, I suggest clicking the like button in this video, creating an Upwork account that is SEO optimized inside of Upwork.com, not for Google, of course, and making sure you can get inbound leads like that. So write your profile in a way that is almost like a sales page focused on the client, not your magical skills exclusively, but mostly about the client. Then sending 15 proposals a day on Upwork.com. Get on sales calls and only take the best clients. I can help you get started very efficiently at businessmentor.com if you like as well. Or you can just click one of the videos below that has a more detailed guide on what this process looks like. So if you're interested in that, click the video in the description. If you're interested in just talking to me and seeing if you can build an agency instead of your SEO sites, just go to businessmentor.com and book a call directly with me.